median search problem can be used as an alternative to find the motifs. So we can use the brute force algorithm to find different types of motifs. So in the brute force median search algorithm, it will consider all the 4 raised to power L possibilities, and L is the size of the mer, and calculate the total distance at every vertex. So if we have a specific word, then we can calculate the total distance in a single pass within a DNA rather than calculating the different possibilities of starting points of DNA in different steps. So here we can see is the brute force median search algorithm, and we are going to calculate the median search within the DNA molecule having the T number of DNAs, N is the size of the motif, and L is the size of the DNA. So I have already told that we can calculate the best word. We assign the best word as AA and it will go up to AA. And because we have assigned the value of A to 1, so we can also write here 1 1 up to 1 1. We have already seen this. In the second step, we will assign best distance as infinity, and from here for loop will start, and we will assign it each Elmer word from AAA, this one, to TTT. We have already seen this in the previous algorithms. Again the if loop will start and we calculate the total distance. So word DNA best distance, if it is less than best distance, so we will assign best distance as a total distance word DNA, and we will achieve the best word, that is the word of DNA, and we will return with the best word score. So here we can see brute force motif algorithm can be modified the median string search to explore the entire tree. So this is the tree, and we can search the entire tree of L nucleotide strings. So if it is the, rather than we can only leaves of the tree in the brute force median search. A vertex level is I. If it is the level of vertex, means this is a vertex, and we can represent a nucleotide string of length I. This is the string length, and this is also I, which can be viewed as a I long prefix of every leaf before the vertex. So we can see here this is the root, and from each vertex we have only 4 options, 1 2 3 and 4. Then again this is the next level vertex, and from this we have 4 options, 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 4. So from every vertex we have 4 options, and in the next level of vertex again we have 1 2 3 4 options. So we can assume that nucleotides A, T, C, G are coded as numerals 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it means 1 is for A, 2 is for C, G and 4 is for T. And we can replace these values of alphabets with integers. And these are, for example, the assignment in line 1 sets of the Elmers. It means that if it is at this stage, it is 1 2 1. It is 2 2 2. So we can calculate size of the and the sequence of the MERS by calculating the by seeing the vertex level, and we can assume the sequence of these Elmers that will be corresponding to nucleotide strings. So this is the simple median search algorithm, and the same condition we have discussed earlier, and here we can see the same steps we have already discussed earlier. So from here we will see the else condition will be applied, and we will give the assigned word to the nucleotide string corresponding to S1 to S2 to SL. So it means that we have to assign this word up to the maximum of SL. So the next step will be we have to calculate the total distance, and if it is less than best distance, then it will be the best distance, and if it is not, we will go further and the next vertex leave algorithm will be applied and we will get the best word score. So we will see the next algorithm, that is branch and bound median search algorithm with the same conditions DNA, T, N and L. So we will see here the first 5 steps, they are identical as we have seen in the previous simple median search algorithm. So from step number 6, we will see that another algorithm is inserted within the simple median search algorithm. From step number 6, we will assign the prefix, that is nucleotide string corresponding to this one. Optimistic distance, we have already seen these type of algorithm in the previous algorithms, step number 9 and up till step number 11. Now from 12 onward, we can see that all these steps, they are the same steps which we have seen in the previous simple median search algorithm. And if we go to backslide, we can see these algorithms. So these are the same steps that we have already seen in this simple median search algorithm, and these are the same steps we are now considering in the brute force branch and bound algorithm, and these are the same steps.